Hello my dear children, good morning. Today we are going to learn about the lesson air. Okay, the lesson air. The air is present where? Do you know? Yes, in our surroundings the air is present. Where is the air present? Our surroundings. Okay, okay, yeah. So our surroundings, the air is present means our surrounding is called what? Atmosphere. Which is sphere? Atmosphere. Okay. Without the air means our surrounding is thus not called atmosphere. Okay, yeah? Okay, yeah? Do you understand, ma? The air is present where? In our surroundings. Our surrounding is always called as atmosphere. Okay. Next we are going to know about oxygen. Okay. All the gases mixture is called air. All the gases mixture is called what? Air. Air means having all the gases. Okay. Okay, yeah. So first we are going to study about the oxygen. We are going to study about the oxygen. This oxygen present in our surroundings in abundantly. Okay. Do you understand? So without oxygen we cannot live in the world. Without oxygen we cannot live in the world. Yes or no? Yes. Anywhere, everywhere we are using which gas? Oxygen gas. Oxygen gas is used by plants, animals and also human beings. Yes or no? Yes, very good. The oxygen gas symbol is O. Okay. This oxygen is present in air in free state and also combined state. Okay. The oxygen is present in air in which state? Free state means oxygen molecules. Okay. Combined state means the oxygen combined with some other gases. Like example CO2. Which is this? Carbon is combined with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. This gas is always present in our air. Okay. Okay, yeah. This oxygen gas is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Colorless means does not have the color. Odorless means does not have the odor. That means smell. Okay. Tasteless. Taste also not have. Do you understand? This is the oxygen's characters. Okay. Okay, next listen, ma. Physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Okay, it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. It does not conduct heat and electricity. If oxygen conduct heat and electricity means what happened in our world? Is it our thinking? No. It's very tough. So it is a poor conductor of heat and electricity. Oxygen dissolves readily in cold water. Okay. Okay, yeah. Next, do you know? Oxygen is about 2 times more soluble in water than nitrogen. That's meaning what? Oxygen is easily soluble in cold water. Next, it is denser than air. Okay. It is thicker than air. It can be made into liquid at a high pressure and low temperature. It supports combustion. It supports getting fire. Okay. It supports getting fire, combustion. Next, chemical properties of oxygen. Next, chemical properties. This is the physical property. Next, that means character. Oxygen's character. Next, chemical properties of oxygen. First point, combustibility. Combustibility means what? Oxygen is a non-combustible gas as it does not burn on its own. Do you understand? Non-combustible means the gas does not burn its own. Only it does not get burned. But it will burn when it supports the combustion of the other substances. Okay. if oxygen has the capacity to burn itself, striking a matchstick. Okay, striking a matchstick will be enough to burn all the oxygen in our planet's atmosphere. Is it true? Yes. The oxygen does not get fire itself, but other substances mingling means it will get fire. Okay, yeah? Okay, next. Reaction with the metals. Oxygen react with metal like sodium, potassium, magnesium, aluminium, iron, etc. to form their corresponding metal oxides, which are generally basic in nature, but the metal differ in the reactivity towards the oxygen. Metals react with oxygen, it forms metal oxide. Okay, listen ma. Metals react with oxygen to form metal oxide. Metals react with oxygen to form what? Metal oxide. Now I will take one metal, that is Na. Na means sodium. Okay, so I will take 4Na metal. Next, oxygen, O2. O means oxygen 1, 2 means atom, oxygen O2 means it's a molecule. Okay, next, it will form what? Metal oxide. Metal oxide, Na2O. 2Na2O. It is which oxide? Sodium oxide. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Here, how many Na? How many sodium? 4. Here, how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Okay. So, please check the amount of these. Here, how many sodium? This 2 into 2. These 2 and these 2. Please into this 2. Okay. Not add. It's into. 2 into 2, 4. 4 Na. Yes. Here how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. 2 oxygen. Okay, yeah? Here also 4 Na. Here also 4 Na. That means sodium. Here 2 oxygen. Here also 2 oxygen. So the equation is correct. Next, non-metal. Non-metal is react with oxygen to form what? Metal oxide, non-metal oxide. Very good. Non. Okay. So here non-metal is, all gases are called non-metals. Okay. So I will take the carbon plus oxygen molecules. It will form what? Ready, you know. Carbon and oxygen mixing to form what? Carbon dioxide. Because here having 2 oxygen. So it is called carbon dioxide. Okay. 2 means di. Next ma, reaction with the hydrocarbons. Reaction with the next hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means it is the combination of hydrogen and carbon. Okay. Hydrogen and carbon. So this hydrocarbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. Hydrocarbon combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay. Okay. Example, wood, petrol, diesel, LPG, etc. When they burn in the oxygen, they produce heat and light energy. Hence, they serve as a fuel. So, you want to know only one thing. Which thing? Hydrocarbons combine with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. It emits heat energy and light energy. Okay. Do you understand it? So, hydrocarbons means the combination of hydrogen and carbon. These hydrocarbon react with oxygen to form what? Carbon dioxide and water vapor. It liberates heat energy and light energy. This energy is used by the fuels. Okay. Next, rusting. Are you feel your iron pieces are, that means iron substances are rusting in your home? Yes. Why the iron substances getting rust? Because the iron substances is react with the air, oxygen and water molecules. So it will get rust. Okay, it spoil. The iron piece will spoil. listen, rusting means the process of conversion of iron into its hydrated form of oxide in the presence of air and a moisture is called rusting. The rusting is nothing. What? Rusting means the iron is combined with oxygen and water vapor. So it will get rust. Okay, iron formula Fe. Iron formula what? Fe. Iron is combined with oxygen to form iron oxide. Okay, do you understand the same one? Here 4 Fe. Here also 2 into 2 4 Fe. Here how many oxygen? 3 into 2 6 oxygens. Here how many oxygen? These 2 into 3 6 oxygens. Okay. This iron oxide is combined with water molecules. It gets rest. Okay. Fe2O3 into this H2O. Okay. I will explain by using the blackboard. No, whiteboard. Okay. Okay, ma. Listen. This is the important 2-mark question. Rusting. Define rusting. Rusting means what? Rusting means what? If iron is combined with oxygen and water. Okay, it will get rust. Okay, so it spoiled the iron pieces. Okay, so here I will take the iron. Iron formula is Fe. Iron is mixed with oxygen to form iron oxide. Okay, here how many Fe? That means iron 4 molecules. Okay, so here check 2 into 2 4. Next, here how many oxygen? 3 into 2 6 oxygen. Here also this 2 into this 3. How much? 6. Okay, that's okay. Next, this iron oxide is combined with water. The iron oxide is combined with water. The X means we do not mention the number of the molecule. We do not mention, we do not know the number of the molecules. Okay. So, because of that, we are putting what? X number. X number. Which number? X number of the molecule. So, this iron oxide is combined with the water molecules. We don't know X number of water molecules. It will get rest. It will get rest. R-U-S-T. Okay. This is called the rusting. Rusting of iron. Okay. Do you understand?